Today, my topic is angry and my older sister. Go to hell. Keep our finger down. Keep our finger down. Don't cross our limit. Keep your voice down. Don't make angry. Don't show our temper me. Keep your eyes down. Don't talk nonsense. Have you gone mad? You are a mad. What will you do? Are you in our sense? Shut up. I went to her anything?